Hello guys, how are you doing? This is the fifth episode of Python tutorial series Python strings. So strings in Python are surrounded by either single quotation marks or double quotation marks. Hello is the same as hello. You can display a string literal with the print function print hello in double quotation and next line print hello in single quotation. Try it yourself. In both cases it's just simply hello. Assign a string to a variable. Assigning a string to a variable is done with the variable name followed by an equal sign and the string. Example A equals to hello, print of A. Okay, it is hello then. Multi-line strings. You can assign a multi-line string to a variable by using three quotes. You can use this three double quotes like A equals to this one. This is the output. Or three single quotes like this. Okay, note that in the result the line breaks are inserted at the same position as in the code. Strings are arrays. Like many other programming languages, strings in Python are arrays of bytes representing Unicode characters. However, Python does not have a character data type. A single character is simply a string with the length of 1. Square brackets can be used to access elements of the string, right? Okay. Example. Get the character at position 1. Remember that the first character has the position 0. So A equals to hello world. Print A of 1 and we have E. Looping through a string. Since strings are arrays, we can loop through the characters in a string with a for loop. Example, loop through the letters in the word banana. For x in banana, print of x. Now B, A, and A, and A. Learn more about loops in our Python for loops chapter, string length. To get the length of a string, use the len function. The len function returns the length of a string. A equals to hello world. Print of len of A, that's fine. So output should be 13. Check string. To check if a certain phrase or character is present in a string, we can use the keyword in. Example, check if free is present in the following text. Text equals to the best things in life are free. Print free in txt text. This is gonna return a boolean result, either true or false. In this case, this is gonna be true. Okay, use it in an if statement. Print only if free is present. Text, the best things in life are free. If free in life in free, if free in text, which is gonna be true, print yes, free is present. Let us see, and this is the thing. Learn more about if statements in our Python if else chapter. Check if not. To check if a certain phrase or character is not present in a string, we can use the keyword not in. Check if expensive is not present in the following text. Text equals the best things in life are free. Print expensive not in text. So expensive is not present in text, that's why it's going to return true. Use it in an if statement. Print only if expensive is not present. Okay, text equals the best things in life are free. If expensive not in txt, colon, print no expensive is not present since expensive not in text, this particular expression is gonna return true. So we're going to have print out no expensive is not present, as you can see here. Okay, now we can go to the next chapter since we have time. Python slicing strings. Slicing, you can return a range of characters by using the slice syntax. Specify the start index and the end index separated by a colon to return a part of the string. Example, get the characters from position 2 to position 5 not included, b equals to hello world, print b square, in square brackets we have 2 colon 5, so starting from index position 2 to index position 4, not exactly 5, so we are going to have LLO. This is going to be our output. Note the first character has index 0. Slice from the start. By leaving out the start index, the range will start at the first character. Example, get the characters from the start to position 5 not included. B hello world, print of b is in square brackets colon 5, so we are going to have starting to index position 4. So this is gonna be simply hello, going to be the output. Okay, now slice to the end. By leaving out the end index, the range will go to the end. Get the characters from position 2 and all the way to the end. B hello world, print b in square bracket we have 2 colon nothing, so it's going to be starting from LLO, we are going to have low world. Negative indexing, use negative indexes to start the slice from the end of the string. Get the characters from O in world, which is position, let's say what, -5, 2 but not included, D in the world position -2. Okay, fine. So b hello world, print b of in square brackets we have starting index is -5 but colon comma colon and end index is -2. So if we take this, we will have WORL world হবে d হবে না আর কি, not exactly world because -5 was actually start from -5 index position was O not W, so ORL, this was the case. Now we can go to the next chapter, but we need to see, yes, time, we do have time. Python modify strings. Python has a set of built-in methods that you can use on strings uppercase. Example, the uppercase method returns the string in uppercase a equals to hello world, print of a dot upper method, so we have hello world in the output, everything capitalized. Lowercase, example, the lower method returns the string in lowercase a equals to hello world, print of a dot lower method, right itself, it's going to be hello world but everything is in lowercase. Remove white space. White space is the space before and or after the actual text, and very often you want to remove this space. So the strip method removes any white space from the beginning or the end. A equals to hello world, print of a dot strip method. This is going to return simply hello world, as you can see in the output. Okay, so replace a string. The replace method replaces the string with another string. A equals to hello world, so print of a dot replace and replace age with j, so the output is going to be, since it's going to be printed, the output is going to be hello world, right? So split string, the split method returns a list where the text between the specified separator becomes the first list items, Okay, the split method splits the string into substrings. If it finds instances of the separator a equals to hello, comma world, print of a dot split. In the double quotation, we have the separator, comma. So this code will return hello is one word, comma, world is another word with space at the beginning. This is going to be an arrow of words. We can try it ourselves. So yes, that's exactly what this is. Now learn more about lists in our Python list chapter, string methods. Learn more about string methods with our string methods reference. So this was episode 5th episode of Python programming language tutorial. So I will welcome to the 6th one. Have a great day until then.